Mr. Henderson, how you doing, boss?
What's up with you?
All right, man, I'm Trooper Holder with the Maryland State Police. You're being audibly and visually recorded, okay? All right. You know I stopped you?
I sure don't.
You know how fast you were driving?
35.
Back
40.
here?
What
Back
you
here?
mean back here?
Yeah, this car.
You know how fast you were driving on this road back here?
What road?
Pacific Drive.
Pacific?
Yep.
What, 20?
You were driving 20?
I'm asking, what was I driving?
I'm asking you. Do you know how fast you were going?
You pulling me over. What's going on? What's up?
I asked you if you know how fast you were going.
I'm asking, how fast was I going?
Yeah, you just said 35.
I was going 35 on when you first got behind me on Great Mills Road. I seen you the whole time when I came out the liquor store.
Okay.
You was on me from back then, so what's going on?
Okay. Well, there's two reasons I stopped you, okay? First reason is when you came out of that parking lot, all right, and entered onto a private road or a public roadway, you didn't stop.
Huh?
You didn't stop.
What you mean I didn't stop?
So when you're entering a private road onto a public roadway, you're supposed to stop. You didn't stop.
Stop where? I'm not understanding what you're saying.
Stop prior to entering the public roadway.
Stop.
So you left the parking lot, right?
What parking lot?
The parking lot where the liquor store was?
I left the parking lot?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, that's where you were, right?
Right.
When you entered onto
Great Mills Road.
correct,
Right.
you didn't stop.
I've been stopped there for 10 minutes, right? Cause it was traffic in the parking lot, right or wrong?
Coming out, we couldn't get out.
Okay.
I mean, I get what you probably saying,
Yeah,
you know what I mean? But,
yeah.
you know.
Yeah,
I'm not
it ain't-
getting it. I'm the driver, so I'm not getting what you're
Okay.
saying. I was stopped at
Hey,
Canopy.
not to cut you off. I mean, I don't even want to move.
He ain't got
I
nothing to do
live
with that.
right
He
here.
live right here.
I
Can't
was
go
just
home.
going to the store.
You just hang out, man.
No, I'm just, huh?
You just hang out.
No, it's cool. I'm saying I live
He
right
asked
here.
the kid he
Okay.
go in the house. I just taking him to the store.
Oh, you were taking him to the store?
Yeah.
All right, well, just let me finish up what I'm doing and then you
Oh, okay. All right.
You good with that?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, all right. So that was the first reason. Second reason is...
All right, hold on, time out. Because
Okay.
I'm still trying to understand the first reason.
Sure.
You said I didn't stop coming from off a private lot.
Yep.
When I was sitting right there with all that traffic, I left when I could left, right? But all right, second reason, because I could go back and get the footage or whatever. It don't matter.
Okay.
All right, second reason.
That's cool. You got your driver's license, by the way?
Yeah, what's the second reason?
Okay. Can you give me your driver's license?
Can you call your supervisor?
Sure. After you give me your driver's license. And your registration.
Maryland finest. Black, you can get out the car if you want to. This ain't got nothing to do with you. He
Oh,
pulled
no,
me over.
I ain't want, he say, well, I'm getting out because I live right here.
Okay. Yeah, like I said, if you're good with hanging out, I'm good with it.
Please leave your message for 20249.
Excuse me.
I ain't want to be doing no movement.
Yeah, if you're good with just hanging out tonight. Do you
Yeah,
have,
I'm going to sit on my front.
do you have any ID on you?
Nah, you pulled me over. He don't need his ID. You
After the tone.
don't need your ID. He pulled me
Yeah,
over.
that's what I said.
Yeah,
Trust me, Black.
You don't
don't need-
Listen,
He pulled me over. You ain't got nothing to do with this traffic stop.
Listen, you don't have to identify yourself, okay? I'm just asking if you would mind just giving me your name, just so I know who I am.
No, he don't.
That's all.
Here you go.
You're not,
Gotta get my
you're not
license.
in any trouble. Like I said,
Black, trust
I
me.
do this with everybody I pull over.
Right.
Right? Your friend's making it a little more complicated.
Yeah, that's what I say. I don't.
You don't want to, you don't have to, but I'm just asking.
I'm
You don't
gonna sit on my
like,
front
You heard
right
what
here.
I said.
Okay.
You don't have to. You heard
Okay.
what he said. You don't have to.
So it's all right for me to
He
go and
pulled
sit on
me
my
over.
front?
Just sit there, Black. You good.
Just hang out for right now, okay?
All right.
You Black. You good. Can you call your supervisor?
What do you want me to call supervisor? You want me to see if they can
Just
respond?
chill.
I need your supervisor. Black, don't tell me what to do, Black.
all right.
For real. All you have to do is chill. This ain't got shit to do with you. He pulled me over.
I
You
know,
could
I'm
have
just
kept
saying,
walking.
I'm
Next
just saying,
time,
just-
when you see me,
all right.
next time don't ask me for no ride. Don't wave at me or nothing.
Okay.
Fuck. Yeah, I need your supervisor though.
35 minutes time.
Please leave your message.
Alright, the supervisor's unable to respond because he's sitting at the desk, okay? But I did call for one. I called for one right in front of you, alright? And you said you wanted to know the second reason for me stopping you? Or do you not care to know? Mr. Henderson. You gonna roll your window down for me?
It's good. I can hear you. You can hear me.
Right, but I can't see you.
You can see me.
Okay, can you step out of the car for me, please?
I sure can't. What's going on?
Okay. Well, when a police officer requests you to exit the vehicle, you have to exit the vehicle. That's case law, Pennsylvania versus Mims. So step out of the car for me.
You don't have to touch my door, bro.
Okay, come on, get out.
Can you back up, please? Because
I can. All right, face the car for me. You good if I pat
for
you
what?
out?
No.
Okay.
I'm sure. I sure don't.
You're not? Okay, then you're gonna go in handcuffs. Okay.
Pat me down. Y'all see the harassment?
Now I can pat you down? Are you sure you're
Come
good
on,
with it?
come on, skin boy.
I'm good with it? I can pat you down?
Pat me down.
Okay.
The fuck?
These are your keys.
Don't answer questions.
All right, just stand in front of my car.
I stand right here.
You stand in front of my car like I told you to.
I'm in front of your car.
Okay.
Y'all see it? Dick sucker.
You might step out of the car for me, please. Okay. Are you just my face down, man? Yeah, I think I got my car.
Hey, shut my door, Black.
That's fine. Good. Appreciate you being quiet. I book everything, man. I know that. Like I said, your friend's gonna make this a little more complicated than it has to be. That's just, that's just his.
Nah, his friends know his rights. Fuck wrong with you? Ass motherfuckers. First he comes to the car. You know how fast you was going on right there on Pacific Drive. Then the first reason I pulled you over was because you didn't stop at leaving the private property coming from off of Ray Mills. How went? We were sitting right there for 10 minutes with all that traffic right there trying to get into Canopy. We trying to leave. You know what I'm saying? I sat there for 5 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes. Damn. You act like we had bazookas and everything. Why you ain't come like this the other day when they was shooting out this nigga? I don't give you permission to search my car. You a tough guy, huh? Get that shit up off your arm first before you try to act tough, boy.
Unlock your car.
Nah, for what? For what? For what? For what? Give me a reason. What you going to my car for?
Unlock your car.
For what? You talking about traffic. What are you going to my car for? What is he going to my car for? Give me the reason. Marijuana? Come on, man.
Look.
It smell like marijuana? That's your excuse?
That's what he's.
Okay.
That's why he's doing it.
Okay.
Until.
Okay.
Right now, it's
Ooh, I love this.
correct me if I'm wrong, that's why you're searching.
Cause it smell like marijuana. They didn't just pass the law where the odor of marijuana don't.
Hasn't affected yet.
Okay.
July 1st.
All right. But as I said that, I ain't unlocking nothing. You want to search my car? Go in there and search it.
Okay. Give me the keys.
Excuse me. Stop coming up to me.
Give me the keys.
Stop coming up to me.
Give me the keys.
Stop coming up to me.
Give me the keys. Okay.
It smell like marijuana. Man, Black, don't even worry about it, bruh. We good, you hear me? Now it smell like marijuana. Why he ain't say that from the beginning? You feel me? It smell like marijuana. Marijuana about to be legal in July 1st, but he worried about some marijuana. You feel me? Think I'm about to get him my keys so he could search my car. You got me up. Like I'm one of these dumbass boys out here. We coming from the store, ain't bothering nobody. He can't even give me a correct reason. Oh, you know how fast you was going? That was the second one. First one is you didn't stop at the leaving the private property. How? We've been sitting there 5 or 10 minutes. They asked for a supervisor, but the supervisor can't come out because he's at the desk eating dick.
All right. So if you don't give me the keys to search it, I'm gonna tow it to the barracks and get a search warrant, and then I'm gonna search it anyway.
Go ahead. Stupid bitch. Go ahead. Go ahead. You ain't need my keys. Go ahead and search it, you stupid bitch. Find what you looking for. And make sure you get some proactive for that motherfucking left arm, you big, swole, dumbass bitch.
Stay back over.
You I stand where I want to stand. I stand where I want to stand. What Supreme Court say? 10 feet. You.
Okay.
Yeah, suck my dick.
Okay. Make 10 feet then.
You. Think they about to pay behind me that he need to get some new boots. Wrong with him. Mr. Henderson, do not ride around like that. Pick up everything that you drop.
Man, you got a lot of crap back here.
Pick up everything you drop. You dropped your pockets.
Drop yours.
Nah, I dropped your mother's.
Yeah? Did you?
Staying alive. I'm at Hyattsville Library. That's what's up. The blue line, biggest gang ever. That ain't the facts.
All right, man. You sit back in your car.
I gotta plug my phone up because my phone about to go dead. Smell like marijuana. It says it smell like marijuana, right? Where the f is the marijuana at? It ain't against you or you. You feel me? Come on, man. Marijuana is legal in July, bruh. And listen, like I said, it don't got nothing to do with you or you. Marijuana is legal in July, right? So if he did find marijuana in here, July 1st, they gon' what? They gonna throw it out, right?
No, not necessarily.
So
I think theoretically they could.
So if he caught me with a gram of marijuana, right, and I went to court July 1st, everybody that got, if it's not a felony, everybody that got marijuana convictions is going to get thrown out if they go up there and get it thrown out.
I don't know.
I read the laws, bro.
Sure,
Y'all
I don't know
don't think this because I'm black in my head like this, I'm retarded, bro. I read the laws. He wasn't supposed to search my car in the first place.
Okay. I don't think anything like that.
Listen, don't think I'm getting hostile at y'all.
I don't think
y'all just coming up being the, you know what I'm saying, the backup. It ain't got nothing to do with y'all.
Sure.
But come on, bruh. It's real going on in St. Mary's County for you to be on my dick like this.
I understand where you're coming from.
Look at him.
And I totally understand.
Like I said, it ain't got nothing to do with y'all. I appreciate y'all patience, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing to do with y'all. This dick sucker. What's up? Get my so I could go.
All right, I got your driver's license, your registration. I gave you 2 tickets, all right? All the ways to pay the ticket or take care of it on that citation.
I'm going to court. Might have go right to Canopy, get the video cameras and all that. You on my dick for no reason.
You understand?
Come on, get my traffic stop is over, bitch. Get the out of here. Thought you had something. Hope you choke on the chicken bone and die. You and your family. You stupid whore. You too, brother. Hey, y'all hear what I said? This ain't got nothing to do with y'all. It just, that's bullshit, man. And y'all can't be doing that, bruh. I'm not saying y'all doing it, but y'all can't be doing that. He sitting there and said he pulled me over because I pulled out a private property and I didn't stop. I was at Canopy sitting there for 10 fucking minutes. Then you say I was speeding. You didn't even tell me what speed limit I was going. You asked me how fast I was going. I was going 35 miles an hour on Great Mills Road. I appreciate y'all for listening. Y'all be safe. You too.
An officer pulls the driver over on Pacific Drive, initially claiming the driver failed to stop when exiting a parking lot. But the driver had been stuck in traffic for about 10 minutes just trying to get out, and the explanation doesn't fully hold. When the driver requests a supervisor, he's told one isn't available. At that point, the reasoning shifts. The officer now claims to smell marijuana, which wasn't mentioned at the start. A search follows, with multiple officers arriving for a single driver over a minor exit situation. With no clear violation identified early on and the justification evolving, the stop raises questions about its legal basis, especially considering that in Maryland, the odor of marijuana alone is no longer sufficient to establish probable cause. If you like this video, leave a number 5 in the comments.
Ooh. How you doing? Well, it'd be better if I didn't have some psycho out here accusing me of child trafficking. So, on that note, I'm not doing terribly well. How are you?
Wonderful.
Excellent.
You have some ID? ID.
Do you suspect me of committing a crime?
Yes, sir, I do.
Oh, what crime?
It doesn't matter. I'm asking for your ID.
Sir, this is the United States of America. It absolutely does matter.
I understand that, but
I'm not driving a car.
It doesn't matter.
I'm not breaking. It most certainly does matter. Are you
Yeah.
kidding me? It most certainly does matter. You have to have a reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime.
Yeah, there is. There are people that are saying that you took pictures of their driver's license when they were getting out of the car.
That's absolutely. How would they holding their driver's license? That's ridiculous. How, sir, I'm standing out here. How can I get anybody's?
Hang on, listen to me. Are you gonna argue with me, or are you?
I have the whole thing on video. I haven't broken the law.
I don't care.
Even if I did do that, that's not against the law.
Yes, it is. You're
Yeah,
taking
absolutely not.
personal information.
Nope. I'm standing, sir. Are you kidding me?
Hang on,
Are we in bizarro world?
Hang on. Are you going to argue with me, or are we going to have a conversation?
I'm not.
Okay,
Sir, am I being detained?
let's
Am I
go-
being
let's go.
detained?
Yes, you're being detained.
Okay.
So just tone down your voice a little
Nope.
bit so we can have a conversation.
Sir, you just accused me of, you suspect me of breaking the law, and you think standing out here, if somebody held up their driver's,
With that camera, yes.
if somebody
With that camera,
with
yes.
this camera,
Yeah, you should
really
do that.
fascinating. All right, I guess I'm going to jail then today because I'm not going to allow. You know what? I'm not your guy, dude. I'm not the one whose rights you're going to violate today. Sorry, you picked the wrong person whose rights to violate today. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, we'll
The
sit
Fourth
here-
Amendment.
We'll sit here and we'll watch you. Make sure you don't
I could
violate
care
it.
less.
I
Knock
don't
yourself
do
out. What's your name?
I'm Chief Supak.
And do you have a badge number?
Yeah, Chief.
Chief, you're the chief of police
Yes.
of
Junction, Texas.
Junction.
You
You
don't
should
where
know
you're
better,
at.
Chief.
You don't even know where you're at.
You should know better.
I'm just telling you what with that.
You should know better.
I
I don't
just-
give a rat's ass about Zach. Standing out here taking pictures of somebody's driver's license is not a crime.
Listen to me.
I'm done with you.
So
Are
I
you
can't-
done with me, sir?
I can't ask you a question.
No, you knock yourself out.
But this is America. Can we
Knock
not-
yourself
can we
out.
not talk?
No, not when you come out here with that attitude telling me I'm breaking the law.
You asked me a question.
Get
I
bent.
answered your
Seriously.
question.
Unbelievable. What can I do for you, sir? Go ahead and ask your questions.
I was going to introduce myself, but you wouldn't even
I could
talk
care
to me.
less who you are at this point now. You're
You're
the
the
chief who doesn't know the law.
Okay.
Who are you, sir?
This is Officer Busha.
And you're under him?
Yes.
Wow, I hope you don't violate people's rights like he tries to. You just came up and told me you have to give me your driver's license.
I asked you for your driver's license.
I said no. Am I being detained? What am I being detained for? What crime do you suspect me of committing?
Okay, if I answered that, you're going to yell.
Yeah.
The answer was
Get on my
people were
face.
complaining
Sickening.
that they were
Sickening.
taking pictures.
Yeah.
of their
Oh my
identification-
God. Is that a crime?
Of their identification.
Really? How could I see somebody's identification right here?
No, but you're
That's
yelling. You're yelling. We're not
okay.
talking.
Go ask him for evidence then.
They already left.
Oh, they already left. No, he's right around back. He went back there. That's a sicko that accused me of child trafficking because he has a kid in his car with his heavily tinted windows. I couldn't even see his kid.
I don't know who that is. Is he
Yeah,
still
whatever.
here?
Chief, I am done with you. Are you done with me?
Yeah, I'm done with you.
All right.
Have a great day.
Oh, I'm having a fantastic day now that you're walking away without violating my rights. Nice try, though. Nice try, Chief. Yeah, yuck it up there, sport. You'll be reported to the Attorney General's office. Schmuck. Yeah, schmuck. How do you spell schmuck? S-C-H-M-U-C-K? I want to get this schmuck, too. Unbelievable.
This was not an inexperienced officer unfamiliar with the law. It was the chief of police, a role that carries the responsibility of understanding legal boundaries. Yet, he was unable to answer a fundamental question. What specific crime was suspected? When he responds that, it doesn't matter right now, it raised broader concerns about how discretion is being exercised within the department. Leadership sets the tone, and gaps at the top can influence conduct throughout the chain of command. Ultimately, official authority does not supersede constitutional limits, and it is expected to operate within them.
Put it with the highway patrol. Reason I'm stopping you, you drive
Yeah, the GPS had me messed up. I didn't realize I had to cut right there.
What you do with the GPS? You got your license with you?
Yeah,
Where you coming from?
that's irrelevant.
You had anything to drink tonight?
I'm gonna invoke my Fifth Amendment right to remain silent.
Okay, go ahead.
Like I said, I was.
Go ahead, step out here for me. Hey,
What's
run
your
back
name?
here for me.
What's your name and badge number?
Yeah, you're not running the show. I am. Run back here for me.
You don't need to be rude, sir.
Yeah, put your phone down.
No, I can record you.
No, you can. You can set it right there, though. You're not gonna hold it.
I can. If you need to pat me down, you can pat me
I'm not
down.
gonna pat you down. Set your phone right there.
I
You
can
point it this way.
record.
Okay.
I can record.
The reason I'm asking is you're driving the wrong way down Olympia Street.
I told you I was using my GPS.
Okay.
And I didn't realize it breaks off.
Okay.
I'm not from
That's
the
why
area.
I'm asking if you had anything to drink tonight, because that's
I
kinda
don't
odd.
need. I don't need to answer that question.
Okay, you gonna consent to perform field sobriety for me?
No.
No.
I will do a blow test, but I'm
you
not.
understand that you're gonna be placed under arrest for refusing, right?
I will not do a field sobriety. I will do a breath test.
Okay.
That's
I'm
it.
asking you questions because I don't want to take you to jail for no reason.
I haven't refused
Yeah,
to.
you are refusing to take field sobriety. So I'm asking you to take
I don't need to do a field sobriety.
Yes, you do.
I can do a breath test.
Right. I'm asking you if you want to consent to take the field sobriety. If not, you're going to go to jail.
If
Put your phone down.
is your body camera on?
Huh? Yeah, everybody's recording out here.
Is your body camera on? And you said what's your name and badge number is?
I'm not repeating myself again. Put your phone down.
Okay, can I request a supervisor? Because
I am a supervisor.
You're clearly ready to escalate this unnecessarily.
Okay, so you're under arrest. Around, put your hands behind you.
Okay.
What jail is this?
Alvin S. Quinn.
Huh?
Alvin S. Quinn.
Alvin is Quinn.
I apologize. You got 1067 time more. Yeah, Alvin S. Glenn, Glenn.
And it's just Columbia.
Yeah, we're still in Columbia. All right, so you're still being recorded by audio and video, okay? And obviously we're here to collect your breath sample for me. Open your mouth for me. Oh, I gotta see you in your mouth. Make sure you ain't got anything in there. Put your tongue up.
I don't have any weapons.
No, it's not for weapons. If you have anything metallic, it'll mess up the sample.
Do I get a copy of that reading?
You get a copy of everything we're doing. Yep.
Requested.
No. You get a copy of everything we're doing.
Well, every state is different. Sometimes you have to get an attorney to request body cam.
Well, yeah, for body cam and all, yeah, you'll have to submit a FOIA request for that.
No, I mean, some states you have to have your attorney do it. They won't.
Oh, okay, yeah. No, you can have an attorney, or you yourself can submit a FOIA request if you want to get. You can't get body cam footage, but you can get the rest of the footage.
Well, and that's the reason why I record, because it's too much of a hassle. At what point do you guys take these cuffs off?
Are they hurting you that bad?
A little bit, but I mean, I guess that's part of the process.
Yeah, the jail, I mean, now we're under kind of the jail's rules. They don't like us to let, I'm not saying you're going to do anything, but, you know, we can't just cut somebody loose.
Could you say what the charges for the going on around the street?
What do you mean?
You said that the citation, what that would have been?
Driving on the wrong side of the road.
Yeah, what would that have been?
Driving on, that's what it
No,
would be.
like the fine or whatever it is.
I think I'd have to look up the fine to be exact. I think it's like
Do
$230.
you know the code that falls under, the traffic code or whatever?
Yeah, it falls under our magistrate court, our traffic court here in Richmond.
No, what? There must be a code that driving on the wrong side of the road is taxed.
Oh, code? Is that what you mean? I don't know the exact code.
Code, statute, whatever.
Yeah, the statute will be on your ticket. I have to look it up. I'm not going to take a guess and tell you the wrong thing, okay? So, can you sit back at all?
I need to.
Well, you have to read this. Are you okay with it right here? I'm going to read this out loud to you. You just need to follow along with me, okay? All right, so you're under arrest for driving under the influence, section 56.5, 2930, South Carolina Code of Laws 1976 as amended. The arresting officer is directed the samples be taken for alcohol and or drug testing. The samples will be taken and tested according to section 56.5, 2950 and SLED policies. You do not have to take the test or give the samples. If you refuse to submit to the test, your privilege to drive in South Carolina must be suspended or denied for at least 6 months, with the option of ending your suspension if you enroll in an ignition or lock device program, and your refusal may be used against you in court. If you take the test and give the samples, or give the samples, and have an alcohol concentration of 8/100ths of 1%, 0.08 or more, you may instead be charged with driving with an unlawful alcohol concentration, section 56.5, 2933. If you have an alcohol concentration of 15/100ths of 1% or more, 0.15, your privilege to drive in South Carolina must be suspended for at least 1 month, with the option of ending your suspension if you enroll in an ignition or lock device program. You have the right to have a qualified person of your choosing. Right, so for this machine, we have a 20-minute observation period, which we have 17 minutes left on, at which point I'll give you a chance to give a sample, right?
So I need to sign this, acknowledging.
That's up to you. If you want to sign it, you don't have to sign it. But I'll give you a chance to, when they tell me to take the cups off of you, I'll give you a chance to sign it if you want to.
So do I sign then do the test, or do I do the test then I sign?
No, just the only thing you're signing for is that what I just told you, that I'm advising you of your rights. So that has nothing to do with this, but you don't have to sign the form if you don't want to. It's just, you're going to get a copy and I'm going to get a copy. I'm going to put all your information on here. It's going to run its internal test, okay? At which point I'm going to ask you to stand up. I'm going to put this mouthpiece on the end of here. When I tell you to, take a real deep breath in, and then you're going to put your lips around this end right here, look at me.
Yeah.
So in? Okay. Then you're gonna give a nice steady breath out. All right, the machine will give me an audible tone, then you're given a sample. Once it gets enough of the sample, it'll click and I'll tell you to stop, okay? You understand? This one here, take a nice deep breath. All right, that's it. Takes a lot, don't it?
Was that paperwork for me?
What's that?
There was some paperwork needed to be signed too.
Yeah. Once I take the cups off, you can sign it if you want to.
Driver turns the wrong way after a GPS error and immediately offers a breath test. From there, the stop quickly shifts toward a DUI investigation. The trooper pushes for field sobriety testing, which depends on observed indicators, while the driver declines but continues to agree to a breathalyzer. He's arrested for refusing field sobriety and spends the night in jail. When the breath test is eventually administered, it reads 0. At that point, the DUI basis weakens, and the focus returns to the original traffic violation, the only clear issue from the start. When an arrest moves forward without objective confirmation and is later contradicted by it, it raises serious questions about how that decision was made. We produced this video to provide helpful, educational information so viewers can understand their rights and remain composed, and we do not encourage confrontation.
Police, you're being audibly and visually recorded, okay? All right, you know I stopped you?
I sure don't.
You know how fast?
YouTube thinks you'll love the video on the screen. Click to watch now.
I'm done with you. Are you done with me, sir?
Last but certainly not least, we extend our heartfelt thanks to the behind-the-scenes team who spent months making these videos possible.